What's up, it's Bear 5 for 3 back again with another pack opening for the Team of the Years. This is my last one for the Team of the Years, sadly. This is for the midfielders. What else? That's really it. I'm just going to record this, and I might also record me and my friend playing later. That's Mac Agent. Still don't know if his channels are uploaded yet, but I'm trying to get someone good. Pepe was my best character yesterday. Highest rated. No blue. Plus a gold. That's pretty depressing. But let's try and get a blue for the midfielders and keep him or sell him. You guys tell me in the comments. See ya. So let's get into the pack openings. We're going to go to promo packs. And we're going to buy the premium gold player packs. We've only got 5 chances. And they expire in 10 hours. So let's do it. First pack, here we go. Let's get something good. Small flare. Send back. Damn it! Could have been a good character from the Liga. I'm trying to think who. Okay, we've got Van Persie. Anyone good here? Ooh. How much does Van Persie sell for actually? 600. Compare prices. He's gonna turn this down. He doesn't sell for that much, so but this guy might sell for a little bit. Maybe. Yeah, no. No one good, okay. Well, never mind. I don't know if it was a walkout play, that would have been so much better. But, you know. I'm just going to put up with that. So look how much Thiago still. My English is very good today. I'm going to put him on the list. Submit. See. Butland. Send him the club. This would sell for that much. We'll list on here. See how much we can get for him. Nothing that good. Okay, we're just gonna quick sell the rest of these. I am also, if we get enough money, I'm gonna do a, what do you call, a foot draft. Yep, that one. So hopefully we get at least 4 grand from this pack. Swear. Okay. So as you can see, hopefully you can just see that we've got enough for an online foot draft, which I'm gonna do. Here we go. Which one to use? I'm gonna use the 4-5-1. No, the 4-5-1 attacking. Okay, captains, please be good. Matter. I'm just going to actually have to take the legend here, because wait, this is my first one. So we're gonna go for a striker. I'm gonna take Higuain. That's how you pronounce his name. And okay, just going to take high shaded here. Left mid. Come on, please be something good. I'm going to take him because if we do get it like a Liga, we should be able to use him. Yes. God. Okay. We're going for the centre back, and Godin will take you, buddy. Now for a CM. Just going to take him. Right wing. Give me a Messi. No. I'm going to have to take William. Okay, we'll put him at right back. That brings us to a number. If I does anything change? Okay. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so what we can do is we can swap these guys around. No, okay. If we keep swapping these guys around, maybe it will bring us up a bit more. $84. Swap him around. Boom. Okay, now select the manager. Okay, we get a Brazil one. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to take this guy because he links a lot more than just Brazil. He links to the BBB, like through like Royce and all them. So for like the first draft of FIFA 17 for myself, I think I went quite well. So let's have a look at prizes we can get. Okay, it doesn't actually tell you, but let's play a match. Advance. Here we go. Actually, quite nervous. Okay, we finally got ourselves a game. Okay, I'm ready. You ready? Okay, sweet. We're both ready. Okay, we'll go Man U. I'm ready. He's ready. Let's do this. Lucky bastard. I'll give him that. He's got here. He's got an Australian player. I like him now. You guys don't probably know I am an Aussie. If he quits, that's a good sign. Unless he's bringing on like Neymar, Ronaldo or something like that, then that's a bad sign. And we're off. Okay. Oh. What is up with this guy? He's... Oh. Pass to Williams. Let's go, William. Turn back. Turn back. Pass. Oh. Ah. Come on. Messi. Messi. If I do stop talking, guys, it's just me trying to concentrate. To William. You think Suarez would be able to actually do it? Oh, he got a Neymar on. Get it away. No, it's offside. But even though, sorry guys, I'm just trying to get that camera angle right. William passes it to right back, passes back to William. William takes a shot. He has to have 91 ready. Ibra. Come on. Legend. Isn't that awesome if like Pele? You know what, guys? Oh, Godin. You know, guys, because I actually do enjoy playing foot drafts. I'm not, because I don't have the money, like, foot points or that, to do it. I'm going to do it on my phone, the foot draft simulator, as I've already done about 20 of them so far when I first opened my account, because I didn't know what to do for my channel for a while. I'm thinking of doing those back, but let's get back to the game. So my friend should be online soon, and hopefully we'll be playing FIFA together. Come on. Messi. If you guys probably don't know, I haven't got an introduction video yet. I'm going to get one soon. Know that I'm still saving up money for the Galdo. They're not really cheap, but yeah, as soon as I get one of those, we'll be fine. Oh, Messi. I should probably do skills. Get it?
Able to ease the pressure by that interception.
Offside. Thank you, ref. Offside, ref. Most of you guys don't actually know, at John Paul College, the school I go to, I play soccer myself, and I'm a centre back. I made not where I was passing to. The way I am recording is on the S7 Edge. I know that. This guy is taking too long to take shots, and he's doing them really powerful. You know what? We deserve the dab. Look at my dab, my dab. Now I really wish I had face cam going. I know I can use a face cam, but I don't actually know where my camera stand is. So if we can keep this lead, it'll be good. Thiago, turn back. Look at that pass to Williams. Free ball. Come on, Messi. You're Messi. That was a very pun included. I just realised now. To William. No, So let's talk about Agado. I already have a hunter and all that, so, but if you guys want me to, I will do that.
3 minutes from the referee by the fourth official. That's the decision regarding added time. Now it's Thiago.
To Neymar. Neymar turns back.
Just to see maybe a sight of goal. Well, this is how this team can play. Sustained.
Run up.
But when they lose it, as they've done now, it's just a risk.
Oh, thank God, I thought that was a foul. So we are dominating the game. We've got more shots on target. We've had 1 goal. We've had more shots, possession. We've had more attack. Yeah. So we are dominating. So let's get onto it.
Kick off here for the start of the second half.
Thank you. That seems fair. Seems really fair. So we go.
On the attack here.
Ooh. Good job, Louis. You know what? Boom! 2-0. This is going very well. I don't even know how that works. That actually was a good goal. Varane. If you guys are new to this channel, please leave a like and a comment in the description on what you think I should play next. And all that, so I do listen to suggestions. I will do a Q&A if you guys want me to. I'll get a Twitter account open or something for it. Excuse me? Chris? Sorry guys, I had to cut that short quickly. I had to talk to family members, but who cares? So, we're back again. Come on, you guys. Shite. You guys gotta be kidding me. Okay, at least it's not a red. Damn it. Damn, and double damn. Maybe this might help my audio. And I'm gonna plug my headphones into there. See if that helps. That was quite a shit. What's the advantage, ref? I'm just gonna go defensive because he is kind of doing a. He's trying to push up. You know what? Let's go, William. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Oh. Ha. Ha. Golden. Ha. Okay. Why is Messi not taking this? Thank you. Oh. You know what this means? Messi dab. Dab. Bitch, look at my dab. Dab. That's like an arm nutty. How? Don't know why I did that, even though I passed. Come on, golly. Oh, Ibra. It's not good, buddy. Straight to Nate. Nope, straight to Messi. Come on. Ref. Okay. Okay, guys, we're back. Sorry. My thing ran out of storage, so Messi's gonna put it in for maybe. Messi keeps it in, passes it back in. Varane. You know what? You know what? Come on. They're gonna get one of these counter-attack goals, aren't they? Come on. Get away from Ibra. Good job. Okay. That was quite good. Pass it up. Wow. That was so dog. Come on, Messi. Where is Neymar? There he is. Oh, Suarez! Come on! That was a really good header. Until only problem with it wasn't on target. That's not a penalty. Come on. Neymar hands back in to Messi. Messi shoots. You know what? Here we go. Woo! Suarez kept us in this. That's 2 goals to Suarez. What a legend. What a legend. Foxy Grandpa, please be gone, Devil Child. Okay. Please leave. If he leaves, it's a good sign for us, but a bad sign for him because he'll lose all his money anyway. Okay. Oh, Alex is online. Okay, I'm just gonna take this off quick. Hello, Alex. How are you? Okay, what you doing tomorrow?
Off we go again.
Tomorrow, probably staying in bed again because I am very tired.
Okay, guess what? I am just recorded. Well, that is it, guys. That is it for the foot draft today. We have just won our first thing with a 181 foot draft. Hope you guys enjoy. So, thank you for watching, and sorry for the message that I stopped recording. That was because of a storage problem, but shut up, Alex. But thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.